What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean, and today we're going to be taking a look at another iPhone case, this time by Caudabe. It is their Lucid Clear Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, as you can see, I have the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I have found out that clear cases just look really good on the new Pro Max colors of the iPhone this year, especially the natural titanium. And so I'm dying to try the Caudabe Lucid Clear. Now, I'm bringing this straight out of the mail, straight out of the packaging. I have not had a chance to test this case, so it'll be my initial thoughts on this case. We'll test a few things. I have some magnets. I have a charger, USB-C charger that we'll test, and we'll take a look and see how this case looks on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But first, we're going to start with opening the case. So set the iPhone 15 Pro Max there off to the side. So let's look at the box. We've got the Caudabe branding at the bottom. Here in the three circles in the middle, we've got glass-like clarity, MagSafe, compatible, and never discolors. So as we're looking at clear cases, we all know that yellowing is a big issue with clear cases. And so Caudabe says that this never discolors. It is their crystal clear drop protection. All right, on the side, we've got the Minimalist Perfection, part of their branding. The back, we have the same thing. See if I can get it to reflect. It's in the kind of the all black there, but we've got the Minimalist Perfection on the back of the box. Down at the bottom, we've got the socials where we can find them. Caudabe is committed to green initiatives. And then if you guys want to read this on your own, if you ever get a Caudabe case, just a little bit of information, kind of what they do, their mission statement, have you. So very minimalistic box, super thin, nothing too crazy about their packaging, which I love. It's just straight to the point. So this has a slide to open. Don't see any tape, so this just kind of pushes out to open. Set that kind of up there. We've got Caudabe Minimalist Perfection again on the top. Some little kind of like DNA looking design on the box. Is pretty cool. And then it has the kind of flip up tuck here for the flap. So we'll flip this open, and on here we've got relax, you're covered. We proudly stand by on our product. Should you ever have an issue, please reach out. We'll be here to help. Support at Caudabe.com. 1-year warranty, hassle-free, 30-day returns and exchanges, and they reply within 1 business day. Again, we've got more ways to reach them on the socials. Inside the box, we've got our brochure, more about their products if you are curious about ordering some more. They've got some AirPods, they've got charger backs and cables, a lot of other cool accessories, and so it's a little pamphlet. Most cases give something to kind of advertise more of what they sell. So same thing with Caudabe. Very minimalistic, though, doesn't take up much space, isn't very big. Then it looks like we have on here the Lucid Clear installation video. So it says here on this paper, in order to ensure you don't damage Lucid Clear during installation and removal, please watch quick video tutorial first at Caudabe.com/Lucid installation. So I guess there might be some difficulty with this case. I'm assuming because it's probably a really tight fit would be my guess. And so to limit breaking this, putting it on and taking it off, there's an installation video. So we will maybe take a look at that. I will see if I can get this on the phone without much trouble. But here's the case out of the box. All right, we do have some flaps on here. If we can see those, we've got some flaps to pull off. It is covered. Looks like on the inside and out it's covered. It's got plastic. So we might as well just rip these off and get into the case. So there's the one on the back, and here is the one on the inside. So this thing is as clear as you are going to get from an iPhone case. Just looking at this thing, it is clear all the way through, and I'm super anxious to put it on the iPhone, but we'll take a look at a few things here. So we've got the white MagSafe ring on the outside. You can't feel it. It's in the inside of the case. When we flip it back on the inside, we've got the minimalist protection, but here's where the actual MagSafe ring is that you can feel on the inside. We've got our speaker ports at the bottom. We've got our USB-C cutout. All right. And then what kind of struck me as unique with this case is it doesn't have the covers that we come to kind of expect with cases, at least for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We've got our action button and volume up and down is open here, and then we flip it on the other side. The power button is open as well, and so we do not have covers on there. All right, as we go around the outside, all clear on the outside. There's no bumpers or anything on the top. There's no bumpers or anything on the bottom, but we do have some, see if we can see these, some slits right here on the bottom corners of the phone. I'm assuming that is going to be a part of the installation or kind of de-installation of this case. This probably helps with taking this case on and off the little slits that are on there. It's hard to kind of see them. The case is so clear, but little slits at the bottom. Then we look at the camera cutout. It is the same material as the rest of the case, but it does look really good as a case. Now, obviously with these cases, you do have to worry about fingerprints. If that's a thing for you, clear cases may not be the top pick. I'm pretty familiar with how clear cases work in the fingerprints, so it's not too big of a deal for me on there. You just wipe it down. But let's move some of these packages out of the way in this garbage. I do need to probably keep the installation video. For the sake of what we're going to do, though, I am going to just pop this in there. I'll watch the installation video afterwards on how to properly take it off. Probably not going to take it off right away because we're going to be using this thing this week. So iPhone 15 Pro Max, natural titanium. Let's go ahead and pop this into the case. Nice, snug fit in there. And here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the Lucid Clear by Caudabe. Right off the get-go, I'll tell you this is a super snug fit when you put it in. It feels good in the hands. And believe it or not, with the button cutouts missing on here, it actually isn't too bad. It does kind of give you a little bit of grip, especially this bottom volume button. And then you've got your thumb that kind of rests in here on the power button. You do kind of get just a natural kind of ergonomic grip on here. Take a look at the cutouts for the USB-C and the speaker. See if we can take a little bit closer look at the power button cutout on there, and then our action button and volume up and down button with the slits on here. All right, so again, as I said, there's no bumpers or anything on the outside. Totally clear all the way, so you can see the cellular band. You can see all the stuff on the side of your phone. A little bit of Caudabe branding right here, but super minimalistic, super lightweight. I don't have a scale to kind of weigh what this case does to the iPhone, but it does not add a lot of weight at all. And again, like I said, with the button cutouts, you do kind of have that ergonomic, easy to pick up. There's a place to grip. And the cutouts a little bit kind of in between the cutouts kind of jut just a little bit. And so there is a little bit of protection. If you were to drop your phone like this, it's not going to directly fall on the buttons. So I guess what I'm saying is the buttons won't take the brunt of the damage if you were to drop your phone and it fell on the side. You've got kind of these undulations here that will protect your phone. So if you're thinking, oh man, there's no button covers, that's just a place for your phone to get damaged, I can kind of see in the design that that is what will protect it there. So I'll put these next to the other cases and we can kind of see what they look like here. So we've got the synthesis, which I have, and then I've got the sheath. So here's 3 of the Caudabe cases. They do have one more that I have not tried yet, the Veil, but these are the 3 that I have. 2 that I've tried. Haven't tried the Lucid Clear, but here's kind of just in comparison to the other. They're most rugged in the synthesis, they're most minimalistic in the sheath, and then, I don't know, this may be the most minimalistic in the Lucid Clear. So I'm digging that style. That's what it looks like compared to the other ones. So real fast, we'll do a couple tests here. So I have a Anker USB-C, charger, which is pretty thick. This is one of my thicker ones, and this is the one that I use to do a lot of my testing to see if the port at the bottom can hold. So this one definitely looks big enough. Let's plug it in, and it fits. So my biggest USB-C charger fits, which gives me confidence that this thing is not going to need to come off when I charge. And I do a lot of wireless charging anyways, and so it's not a big deal to have the USB-C, but I do like, if I'm transferring files, if I do happen to use my bigger USB-C charger, that I don't have to take the case off to do it. So definitely fits. It gets the thick USB-C charger approval. Now I have a couple accessories that I want to test. We're just going to test an Anker battery pack on here, and then I do have an ESR magnetic wallet. So we'll test with the magnetic wallet first. Nice firm clap. That is on there. Do a little shake. That's not coming off, and this wallet has a loop, so we'll get it by the loop. Shake it by the loop. Now, no one's probably going to be doing this with their device anyways, but with the loop, it's on there nice and snug. So you've got good MagSafe with the wallet accessory. Goes well with the MagSafe on the back of the Lucid Clear. Now we'll just try the Anker battery pack. Do a little shake test on this one. It scared me a little bit. It did the vibrate because it showed that. I think it does the little, I think it does the circle. Get to do the circle. Well, did it the first time, it scared me, but we got it on here. Nice shake. MagSafe is good to go. So if you're looking for a clear case that's going to be minimalistic, not going to discolor, it's going to be able to hold all your MagSafe accessories, at least from the few that I tried. These are kind of my daily products that I use. Pass the shake test. Again, it's not going to add much weight, and I'm a big fan of Caudabe, and so this is definitely one that I wanted to get my hands on and try. So super excited. I'll be trying this out over the next week. If I uncover anything that I feel like sharing about this case, I will. Again, I didn't get a chance to test this one like I do with many of the other cases before I bring them to you guys for review. But so far, I think I'm going to have a really good time with this case. So just put the other ones back out here for comparison. Here's the sheath in the amethyst purple. Here is the synthesis in the gray. And then we have the Lucid Clear with the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you've liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more tech-related content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you know when new videos go live. But that's it for me. Caudabe Lucid Clear Case. Be blessed. Catch you in the next video. Peace.